KJ, one of our beloved YouTube besties here on booklaunchers.tv, said that it's been a bit of a struggle navigating our new community on the Skool platform. So if you're wondering how the heck to get the most out of this, or even what it is, well, this video is for you and for KJ. Hey there, I'm Julie the Book Broad, founder of Book Launchers. We're a full-service self-publishing company that helps nonfiction authors write, publish, and promote their nonfiction book to grow their brand and their business. Our primary business is our assisted self-publishing, where we have writers and coaches and all the editors, fact-checkers, book cover designers, layout specialists, and of course, a team of book marketing professionals that will strategize with you, set you up for reviews, pitch you for podcasts, live appearances, media, run ads for you, submit for book awards, book distribution, and so much more. We are your partners in publishing. But as you can imagine, a full team of publishing experts surrounding you and carrying you and your book over the finish line is not a low-cost endeavor. And there are many folks that want to work with us in some capacity, but maybe not have us do all the work. So we've created two new groups where we have training and a community and so much more. One of the groups is free, and I'll show you how to navigate that group right now as per KJ's request. And the other one is a paid group. So our free group is the Self-Publish and Succeed group, which is intended for people who want support while writing their book and getting it into the world. Of course, you're welcome if you have a book already published, but we're not focusing that group on marketing. It's focused on the actual book creation. The group for marketing is our paid group. It's our Author Business Accelerator. That group is currently, as I'm filming this video, prices can change. That group is currently $150 per month. For $150, you get a whole lot of support and access to our publishing professionals that are working on our authors' books every single day. Over the course of a year, we're taking you through the steps to use your book to become a thought leader. We have themed trainings every month, from websites to must-have Amazon sales pages to running ebook sales. We're taking you through how to pitch yourself for podcasts, how to show up and succeed on podcasts. There's so much we're doing. Plus, it's not just training, it's a community with rewards and prizes like having us design your A+ content or create your media kit for you. So you'll win when you participate because you'll learn and make connections, and you'll have the chance to win high-value prizes. But I think the best part is that you can join myself and other marketing experts from our team for office hours calls to ask your questions and get personalized help. So if you're active in the group and join the training and calls, it will easily be the best $150 you spend in a month for your author business. So that's our paid group. We also have a free group, and you are absolutely invited to join either one of them. The paid group is best for people who have a book or they're about to launch a book, and the free group is best for people who are working on one. But I'm going to take you into our free group right now so you can see what is there and help you and KJ navigate it to get the most from it. The three main sections you need to know about are the community, classroom, and calendar. The community has categories for topics to be posted and discussed. We're adding more in January to focus on writing, editing, and distribution questions. For now, you can see the current categories we have. You can also peruse others' posts, comment, like, and create your own posts. Doing this is important because when you go into the classroom, you'll see there's content here. Now, if you've just joined, you may not see this content yet because you have to participate to unlock the content or just be a member for a certain amount of time. For example, our course here unlocks when you get to level 2. So you need to participate and like posts, and then you'll see this unlock. The audiobook course unlocks after 45 days. We'll be adding more and more materials here to reward folks who are participating and being in the group for longer amounts of time. We are just getting this group started, but we want to reward folks who are active because that's how you create a great community. Now, finally, there is this calendar. Right now, it's just an easy way to see our YouTube live schedule and our deep dive training sessions. Starting in 2025, we're also going to be hosting writing sessions and other special events just for our Skool community members. You'll want to keep an eye on the calendar so you can catch the events that will help you on your journey. This is a free group, and while you'll find my team is hanging out inside the community to help you out with answers to questions when we can, that's not our number one focus. But our goal there is that we are moderating you guys and supporting you to help each other out. YouTube is fabulous, and we love our YouTube besties like KJ, Efren Delgado, Scully Pop, Steven Serrell, MD Jones 7. Thank you all for your support, comments, and likes. But we also wanted a way to bring you all together and support you even more. And this community is our answer to that. So I do hope to see you inside of that community, as well as still comment the day a video is released, because then you get entered to win prizes and of course move one step closer to being one of those besties I just mentioned. Now there's other tabs here you can see, like the leaderboard. Now you can see who's the most active in our Author Business Accelerator. That is how you win our prizes. And maybe one day soon we'll have prizes to reward the most active in this community as well. But for now, we're just rewarding you with training and tools in the classroom. You can also see other members and message them here, but please do not solicit or be a pain in someone's inbox. We will immediately ban anyone who is found to be harassing or soliciting or doing just anything inappropriate. We want a great community of supportive people in this space. We already removed one person who was saying, hit up my DMs for more info. Well, that was clearly soliciting some sort of service, so she was gone. I hope to see you in the community real soon. And if you want more info on our paid community, well, this video is the one to watch on that. And if you're writing a book and you want to know how to make book writing easier, that one is the one for you.